Cover your eyes, promise not to look, 'cause I got some good news for you. Unexpected surprise, now you're on the hook. Guess what, I booked a ticket for two. I feel stressed.
California has a rich history and culture. California is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. The state has beautiful beaches, mountains, deserts, rivers, lakes, and even a large amount of waterfalls.
'Cause we're all California. I long to wrap my arms around you. Wanna love and renew you. Do all the things we used to do. Feel my toes in the sand, let my hair in the wind, and feel the love that we once shared. Here we come, California. Come and bring us back to life.
The state also has many different cultures and religions. There are people who live there who are from all over the world. The state capital is Sacramento. Sacramento is located in the northern part of the state. The state capital is the oldest capital in the country. The city of Sacramento is the third largest city in California. San Francisco is the second largest city in California. Los Angeles is the third largest city in the state. The state's largest city is San Diego.
California, I long to wrap my arms around you. Wanna love and renew you. Do all the things we used to do. Feel my toes in the sand, let my hair in the wind, and feel the love that we once shared. Here we come, California. Come and bring us back to life. Cover your eyes, promise not to look, 'cause I got some good news for you. Unexpected surprise, now you're on the hook. Guess what, I booked a ticket for two. I feel stressed.
California is known for its beaches, mountains, deserts, and rivers. The state has beautiful scenery. There are many different types of weather in the state. The state has many types of climates. There are hot summers, warm winters, and cool springs. The climate can change quickly depending on where you are. California is a very popular tourist destination. Many people travel to California every year. California is a great place to visit.
Feel my toes in the sand, let my hair in the wind, and feel the love that we once shared. Here we come, California. Come and bring us back to life. Bring us to life. Bring us to life. Bring us to life. I feel stressed.